In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see calendar on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where the calendar lives in Salesforce Lightning and how to make sure you're viewing the schedule that matters to you. Start by opening Salesforce and signing in as you normally would. Everything I'm about to show you is in Lightning Experience, which is the modern Salesforce interface. If your screen looks very different, you might be in Classic and the calendar will appear in other places. In that case, check with your admin or switch to Lightning before continuing so your view matches what you see here. Once you're in, move into the Sales app. The Sales app is the standard workspace that includes key tabs like Home, Leads, Opportunities, and importantly, Calendar. You can usually find the app name near the top left of the screen. If you don't immediately see Sales, click the app launcher, the grid icon in the upper left, then search for Sales and select it. That simply brings you into the app where the Calendar tab is readily available. With the Sales app open, look across the top navigation bar and click Calendar. Depending on your company's setup, Calendar might be visible right away or tucked under a More menu on the navigation bar. If you still don't see it, try expanding your browser window or checking with your admin to confirm the Calendar tab is included in your Sales app navigation. Once the calendar opens, you'll land on a clean view of your schedule. Use the day, week, or month controls to adjust how much time you're looking at. The month view is great for big picture planning, while day and week views help you zero in on specific meetings. On the left panel, you can show or hide different calendars like your own events or shared team calendars, depending on your permissions. If you work across time zones, double check the time zone shown on your user profile to ensure events display at the correct times. As you review the calendar, remember that what you see depends on your access. Some teams have shared calendars for resources or territories. If you don't see what you expect, hover over the calendar list on the left and make sure the calendars you want are selected. You can also use filters and settings, often available via a gear icon, to control which event types or colors appear, helping you quickly spot important meetings. And that's all you need. Open Salesforce, switch to the Sales app, and click Calendar. With those three actions, you're ready to view your schedule, scan availability, and stay on top of what's coming next.